Tired of your baby kicking off blankets at night or refusing to be swaddled? I've got just the solution for you, a cozy, custom-made sleep sack. These sleep sacks are quite popular in Western countries, but haven't yet gained the attention they deserve here in India. So today, let me show you how I made this one, step by step. We start by cutting the pattern. If you'd like a detailed tutorial on how to draft this pattern, let me know in the comments. I'd be happy to do a separate video on that. Here, I'm unrolling a bolt of lightweight cotton wadding. My client specifically requested a slightly heavier sleep sack to help reduce the chances of sudden nighttime startle reflexes, a common concern with little ones. So I chose a thin, soft cotton wadding that adds just the right amount of weight without compromising the baby's comfort. This has been quilted onto a thick cotton bedding fabric for structure and warmth. Next, I'm preparing the lining. I've added a fusible interlining to give it extra body and strength. You can see me fusing it onto the fabric using a hot steam iron. Now I'm pinning the shoulders and sleeves of the outer shell. Since these are cut on the bias, that is, diagonally, there's a higher chance of stretching. I usually avoid pins, but here I'm using them to keep things in place. While sewing, I gently guide the fabric through the feed dogs to avoid any distortion. And I'm even doing a second row of stitching for added stability. I'm attaching the outer shell to the quilted layer. After this, I'll sandwich everything with the lining. Although, I lost the clip of that step. For reference, I cut the lining 1.25 inches larger on all sides than the outer shell. After assembling, I pushed the excess lining inside, matched the right sides, and stitched all around with a 1 centimeter seam allowance, leaving a 5-inch gap at the back hem to turn the piece right side out. This gives a neat, half-inch lining border around the edge and avoids unnecessary bulk, even with the wadding inside. I've already made a short video showing how to insert zipper pulls. I'll link it in the I button above. This sleep sack features 2 zippers. One runs from the neckline straight down the center for easy baby access. The second runs halfway down the side, making midnight diaper changes super convenient. And if you've made it this far into the video, thank you. Please consider subscribing to my channel for more helpful and informative sewing content. I also post behind the scenes and outfit snippets in the shorts section, so don't forget to check those out too. If you found this video useful, be sure to like, share, and comment. I truly appreciate your support. And for placing orders or customizations, you can DM me here or reach out on Instagram. My handle is @AxmaDesigns. Here I'm edge stitching the zipper to secure it neatly, and then sewing down the side seams. You can also make this sleep sack fully reversible with a few small adjustments. And here's the finished product. This is such a useful item, practical, safe, and easy to use. It's customizable in all sizes, 0 to 3 months, 3 to 9 months, 9 to 12, or 18 months, and up to 24 months. This particular one fits up to a 2-year-old. Even if you don't have a baby right now, this makes for a wonderful and thoughtful gift. You can always recommend it to a friend or relative. For orders, you can DM me or drop a comment below. You'll also find me on Instagram at @AxmaDesigns. Follow along for behind-the-scenes design updates and more sewing ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care.